Hello, hello, hello. G'day, g'day, g'day. Brian here. All right, so let's talk about fun stuff again. All right, so a while back I said that XRP, owned by Ripple, will outpace Bitcoin. And looking at the chart, you can see since May 23rd, that has happened. XRP is now 36% return uh, versus 15% with Bitcoin. Now, I know for the Americans out there, they can't trade Bitcoin, or sorry, they can't trade XRP due to the lawsuit, thanks to your friendly regulators who want to keep you safe, called the SEC. Don't blame me, I'm just the messenger, right? So you can see here that XRP is starting to outpace BTC, and that is since March, year to date. Let's check her out. Okay, you can see here now BTC over 62% versus XRP, but look what's been going on with that steepness there with XRP. So let's see what's happening over the 5-day. 9% versus 1%. Go figure, right? So let's see year to date. Did we check that? Yeah. So let's see 1 year. XRP has definitely outperformed 21% for the last year versus Bitcoin going to give you negative 14%. So that's a kind of a no-brainer. Both are fairly volatile, as we know. And you may ask, why is this? Well, from my point of view, XRP is used by institutions. There's a couple of banks in Africa, Indonesia, and they're actually getting into the CBDC business. Now, if you're against CBDCs, don't invest into XRP. So they're becoming accepted by the banks, institutions. The other big thing that you need to understand is, I'm sure you know about the Forum, World Economic Forum, the Davos. If you're into crypto for long term, what you need to understand is what are the crypto firms that were invited by Davos, the Forum, into Davos. And the only three companies that were there were Circle, makers of USDC. Also, you have Ripple, which is XRP, Coinbase, and Filecoin. And I think Stellar Networks, which is XLM. So those are the long-term coins, companies, crypto companies that the institutions like globally, especially from the Forum crowd. And that's an important factor to know. So that's why I'm starting to think, yeah, man, Bitcoin, I have nothing against Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin to succeed. I want an alternative from the fiat world. Same with Ethereum. But if you want to, quote unquote, play in the crypto space that the we crowd like, it's the ones that I mentioned that were at their conference in Switzerland in Davos. So as you can see, that's one of the big reasons why XRP outpaces Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's struggling. And the other reason that why you're seeing negative, you can thank all the global regulations because they know that Bitcoin's a very big threat against their whole financial system globally. The banks, the BIS, the Bank for International Settlement, World Bank, all these countries that are going to be dependent upon the IMF, International Money Fund, when they run into trouble, and they want those countries to be beholden to these institutions. But along comes Bitcoin and becomes a big threat to the financial system, and probably Ethereum as well. And XRP, Ripple, hey, that's okay because the institutions like it. So that's who they pump. So when you look at countries like El Salvador and this Bitcoin circular economy and these crypto beaches, I don't know the exact details, but they're succeeding. El Salvador is the safest country now. El Salvador is doing very well with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's legal tender in El Salvador. And El Salvador has proven they don't need to be dependent upon these global UN related financial institutions like the BIF sorry, BIS, IMF, and the World Bank. El Salvador has proven that under this new current President Bukele, that's been proven. So other countries will probably fall in line. I believe there was Brazil and Argentina were wanting to merge their currencies, plus accepting Bitcoin as legal tender, and even Mexico may look at it as well. But that's for Bitcoin. But again, here's why XRP does well. Anyways, there's a bunch of articles I want to go through just to give you a current state of what's going on in the world of XRP and Ripple. So let's get to those. So these are all from the same press website here, cryptonewmedia.press. Okay, I guess this is like an aggregator. XR flows strong with 13% gain fueled by bullish indicators. So I don't want to talk what I think. I already did that. Let's see what others think on these websites. So let's go over to the daily. The daily. Let's see what's going on with the daily. How's that looking? So XRP is not as badly negative as with Bitcoin, but the 5-day, yeah, definitely XRP is blowing the doors off of Bitcoin. As you can see there on the 5-day. So let's see what's going on here with these articles. Stages a remarkable comeback. A part of it is also driven by the fact of the potential new settlement with this court case with the SEC. If that happens, what would happen when XRP is now able to be traded by Americans? Could you imagine the impact on that? And that's why I think XRP probably performance-wise long-term will become the new Bitcoin to be excited about. When Bitcoin went from 20,000 to 60,000. If you see that kind of excitement, it probably could be an XRP. Sudden surge in value contributed to an array of bullish market indicators, reignited optimism among traders, interest in the digital asset. XRP has ignited excitement, 24-hour rally, 6.3. I'm not seeing that. Let me see the date on this. This is May 31st. I don't see that in that chart I just showed you. Strange, but we've already made comments about these kind of websites. You can see there's that big rally there on this chart. Combination of bullish price action, surge in network activity has the stage for heightened anticipation, prompting speculation that potential implications XRP future trajectory in the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrencies. Basically what I just told you. Bulls take reign. Positive sentiment. As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies experience their upward momentum, XRP also benefits. Alignment of the positive market factors created fertile ground for an XRP price rally. Accompanying market indicators reignited, blah, 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 blah. Let's see the reason, what's driving it. Market sentiment. Weighted uptick reflecting increased confidence. There's no driver here. Great article as usual. Let me go to the next one here. Gains for XRP, a rally in the making. Let's see what's driving this. Increased by 4%. They said 6%. That's it? Ugh, what an awful article. Next one. XRP clocks highest address activity in 10 weeks. Rally next. Displaying signs of a breakout, rallying 8%, nearing 50 cents, ranked 6th in the experienced models decoupling, plus 4% from the alt pack. Was changing hands, 50 cents, 4.71 last 24 hours. Intriguing, last 2 days, and that saw a quick activity. 490,000 addresses interacted. Network experienced the biggest increase of 871,000 in March. That's not too long ago. It's only 2 months ago. So rose by more than 45%. So you want to get in on an exciting coin? I think this could be it. 45%. If history repeats itself from March 18th activity spike, it could be more. It remains to be seen can sustain its impressive run in the long run. Again, they don't mention about the court case with SEC. Uh, Crypto influencer, blah, blah, blah. What? May reach $5 in near future. So you're looking at a magnitude of a 10-time return? It's possible. Only asset has outperformed Ethereum in terms of market cap. So there are detractors, the trolls. Easy to mock those who predict the $5 target. You got to remember, I think the high was about $1 for XRP. This may be a little stretched, but if it even hits a $1, you're already doubling your return. Could increase 900%. Is now ordered to reach $5. Yeah, so some are unsure if that's possible, but it's like a very high probability that XRP could do well, especially with the settlement with the SEC and the impact now of Americans getting in on this. Woo, okay. Exceeded Ethereum multiple times starting from May 27, with a token reaching $8 valuation and Ethereum reaching at $8 billion. So they were in line with each other. Wow. Became second largest crypto asset. This feat twice, September 2018 and December 27. That's a good one to know. That's quite possible. Very possible. We got, I think, one more article. Yeah, so we got one more article. So the fear of missing out on XRP to kick in after price breaks $2, according to Ripple supporting attorney John Deaton. So he's in on that too. This is the guy defending against the SEC lawsuit. Lawsuit with the U.S. Security Exchange Commission will soon experience a fear of missing out once XRP hits $2. Let's see what it's currently at. Let me just create a new chart here. Okay, there we go. So right now it's at 51 cents. So $2, yeah, it could probably reach that. Let's see here. Where was that article? Right here. Deaton, managing partner, hypothesized that the XRP does 5-time will people want it. Right now, 48 cents. Crazy to think about how many people who refuse to buy it now. Yeah, and I just know the psychology of people. I mean, the idea here is to gain return, whatever it is, right? So Bitcoin, you'd be probably kind of losing money over the last year. Again, don't shoot the messenger, right? So they're going to buy it once at $1. Crazy is that the FOMO won't likely kick in until $2. So there you go. There's your long-term hold right there to hold XRP and the way it looks. That's from obviously the lawyer, though. I believe that as well. So Ripple has argued that the Hinman speech is evidence that SE has no basis for its claim that XRP is a security. I don't think it is either because it's used by banks. Federal judge ordered the release of emails. Deaton said it could be a massive turning point for the case. They're supposed to have wound up this case. Here's what I actually practically guarantee. If Hinman's speech has been screen cleared or approval by the SEC ethics office, we would have it long ago. Being able to say the ethics chief cleared my speech would act as a proverbial get out of jail free card. Ripple's opposition cites the SEC email. There may be reasonable grounds to not believe XRP satisfy all factors of the Howey test. That's what this court case is about, if XRP is a security. But that's just their way to destroy it. It doesn't make sense when it's being used by institutions, and the Davos crowd likes this company and this coin. Wanted all statements that SEC staff redacted. Appears that they were. Tells you that the statement about XRP satisfying Howey is not a direct quote from the senior SEC official. Otherwise, it would be redacted. This is the lawyer again. Concluded that a statement was made by a market participant independent of Ripple, not the SEC. referenced by somebody in the Hinman email or third-party email was forwarded to Hinman or the email group discussing the speech. I always want my comments to be based on fact, so I'm making this clarification. Although it isn't a direct quote by the SEC official, it is still damaging as it demonstrates XRP was discussed. Someone at the SEC passed this XRP opinion to the email group for a reason. And there you go. So that's where we're at with the court case. But if that comes out in favor for XRP and Ripple, yeah, this thing probably will take off. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.